An urn has 3 white balls and 3 black balls. You draw 2 balls in succession. So you do not return the first ball before drawing the second ball. What is the probability that they are both white? Okay, so probability problem. So let's analyze the problem. We have an urn has 3 white balls. So we have 3 white balls and then we have 3 black balls. So 3B. Total is 6. Okay, so 3 white plus 3 black. So we have total of 6 balls. So you draw 2 balls in succession. Okay? So this is a compound event. We draw 2 balls in succession. So the formula for that is probability of, let's say, A and times the probability of B. Okay? So you do not return the first ball before drawing the second ball. Okay, so what is the probability that they are both white? Probability of both white. So let's substitute this. Probability of the first white and then times probability of the second white. Okay? So what is the probability of the first white ball? So we have 3 white balls out of total of 6. So therefore, that is 3 over the total 6. And then since this is without replacement, you do not return the first ball before drawing the second ball. So that means the probability for the second white ball, the total of white ball will now become 2 because you do not return the first white ball. And then the overall total will be 6 minus 1, so we have 5. Then just multiply this. We can reduce this first to lowest term. 3 and 6. Reduce this to lowest term. Divide both by 3. So cancel out 3. This 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 will be 2. And then we can reduce again to lowest term. We can cancel both the 2. So final answer is 1 over 5. 1/5. So that is the probability of drawing 2 white balls. Letter B is the correct answer. Follow me for more content like this.